Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. Hey, to all our beautiful subscribers, we say thank you so much for staying with us. And you are new here, we are happy you find us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified for more upcoming videos. In the comment section, please no derogatory comments. Thank you all for watching. Till I will see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.
They want to use that phone in the future to blackmail Wunmi herself. Yeah, in that phone, there's a lot of stuff on that phone. The police don't know about this one. They only gave the phone some phone to the police. Remember the voice note of Mohbad saying, "Where is my phone? Where is my other phone?
When I'm gone, you want to be
to
out
to the people against me. So
yes.
you know how to make my mother cry."
Mohbad is a prophet. He's a strong prophet.
Now, this phone, there was a big fracas on the hand. Me and Mommy, I don't know if they've settled up the fight because I know that there are two platforms that are against themselves right now. Ultimately, one is for Wunmi, one is for Baba Mohbad. I mean, Mama Mohbad. And at that time, Darusha too was actually having a cold war against Wunmi. One thing is this. Another information got into me getting to the phone that Wunmi picked. You know what she did? I heard, like I said, I'm being careful with my words. I heard that she has even deleted, she has put that phone back to factory setting.
That's what her team they are saying. That's what her team they are saying.
The day that they pick up the phone,
that the phone is spoiled.
by the time they pick up the phone, there was a big jubilation on their hand. Jubilating. And they were saying that they are waiting for anybody to bring evidence because they have destroyed the evidence. So the police cannot say that they are not aware of this. At least they should have been monitoring people's all the platforms that is talking about justice for Mohbad. But they never did anything about this. So now, according to what I know, or what I heard, is that she has successfully deleted. Okay, what do you expect, Mr. King? That somebody that went for a mission, whatever, to Songo to pick up the phone. You think that she's still going to hold on to that phone?
Is it Songo Ikorodu?
There is fire on the mountain.
Is it Songo Ikorodu?
Yeah, Mohbad is somewhere in Songo now, right?
I think she was in Songo,
okay.
Not Ikorodu.
Okay.
Yeah, I think she was in Songo or somewhere.
Okay.
You know what? Either they deleted the phone or they put the phone back to starting setting. This is 2024. Everything that was deleted on that phone, you can retrieve everything.
You people too, look at it. What will make a wife, knowing fully well that homicide in Ikokwe, you then intentionally stole his phone from his mother? There's a big marginal wide question mark.
Wunmi was restless. See,
Kí ló mú ẹ lọ jí fóònù ọkọ ẹ?
Wunmi is not a wife. Wunmi is just find a way to capture a dumb person, which is Mohbad. Mohbad was used. Mohbad was used.
Progress, so.
Ọlọ́run jọ̀ọ́ jẹ́ kọ́ ọmọ mi rìn kó gbogbo rú àwọn èèyàn báyìí o. Gbọ́mọ mi lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin o.
We just need to pray for our son, for our children not to.
And our daughters too. Kó má bàárù àwọn èèyàn báyìí ṣọ̀rẹ́ gan. Káwọn ọmọ mi obìnrin má bàárù àwọn èèyàn báyìí ṣọ̀rẹ́.
Wunmi is not an ordinary human being. She's a devil living in the devil.
Ìyẹn ò ń ṣe streetwise o. Ìwà rubbish yìí ò ń ṣe streetwise. Ẹ yé máa lo word streetwise. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ streetwise, àwa tá jókòó ilẹ̀ máa ní a streetwise.
What is doing is streetwise?
No, streetwise kọ́ lélẹ́yìí. Streetwise kọ́ lélẹ́yìí. Ẹ gbàgbé nǹkan tá à ń pè ní streetwise kọ́ lélẹ́yìí. Streetwise ni pé kéèyàn jáde kó gbọ́n kó wá ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ kó dẹ̀ ṣe rọ́kọ kó marry kó jókòó kó rí ọmọ tọ́ kó rí ọkọ fẹ́ kó ṣoríire nídìí òwò kó streetwise táwa mọ̀ nìyẹn kó tí kó jayé nígbà tó yẹ kó jayé kì í ṣe streetwise eléyìí streetwise kọ́ leléyìí streetwise ò ń ṣèwà apààyàn kò ń ṣèwà olè kò ń ṣèwà àgbèrè kì í ṣèwà rubbish tẹ́ ń sọ yìí o streetwise àwọn tó ti lọ far nínú ẹgbẹ́ pé I am streetwise nǹkan tá à ń pè bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kì í ṣe nǹkan tẹ́ ń pè streetwise kọ́ ní streetwise kì í ṣe ìwà tẹ́ ń pè real streetwise làwa yìí àwa tá ti jáde síta tá ti rí ọpá àti wá ní kó láwo lẹ fẹ́ fi dẹ́rù bà arúgbó ìyẹn ní streetwise o kì í ṣe streetwise kéèyàn kéèké àkọ́mọ kú street togri better street MC ní kẹpà àwọn eléyìí kì í ṣe streetwise kankan streetwise is a good thing ọkùnrin òde lè lu arú àwa yìí ní jìbìtì mọ́ ayé ìgbà kan lọkùnrin máa lu obìnrin ní jìbìtì tí wọ́n sì ń ṣe fáwọn obìnrin kan tí wọ́n máa ní wá fẹ́ bá ìsùn wá fún ẹ lówó wá torí tílé kan irú obìnrin tí ń ṣiṣẹ́ ó máa tọ́jú ara owó tọkùnrin yẹn fẹ́ náà òun ní streetwise àti streetwise àti marry bá ṣe marry ọkùnrin kọ̀ọ̀kan kò sí nǹkan kan tí o fẹ́ display tó máa wọ̀ wá lójú.
You don't want streetwise, she's street crafted, okay? How about that?
Street togri ni street paya street nonsense ẹ má bà streetwise jẹ́ àwa báyìí ní streetwise àwa ọmọbìnrin tá ti jáde tá ti wá kó gbá wọlé nígbà tá wà nùgò tá ń jẹ́ jean ìgbà yẹn la lọ sí street ìgbà tá wá gbọ́n lójú títì tá gbọ́n ní street tá kó gbá wọlé àwa marry àwa jókòó àwa ń ṣe ìyá àwọn ọmọ wa àwa ń ṣe ìyàwó fọ́kọ wa ìyẹn ní streetwise.
So we're not saying that Baba Mohbad, according to what Karimo have done, what she did.
Streetwise ò ń ṣe nǹkan burúkú o.
We're not saying Baba should accept Karimo. All right? It's not in our place.
Exactly.
To tell Baba to do that. And that is not people. I don't want situation because this issue of Karimo, don't give him the platform. Don't give her the platform.
Bossman, your platform is.
What do you say?
Maybe call Wale.
No, can you hear me now?
Streetwise ṣe pé àwọn èèyàn mú gbó lẹ́yìn sọ kéèyàn máa ta gbó kó máa ta kòkè àwa ìyẹn ò ń ṣe streetwise mọ́ ìyẹn street MC street togri street ojú ná ká máa ta gbó ká máa mú gbó ká máa ṣe ká máa sọ̀rọ̀ kí kó máa dà pé wọ́n kó gbó sí wọn lọ́nà fún ìyẹn ò ń ṣe streetwise o.
Anyway, so what I'm trying to say in essence is that we are not trying to take that Karimo or Baba Mohbad must accept the bleed of Karimo. Baba Mohbad knows what to do. We do not have the right to tell Baba Mohbad because Karimo. But she has come out publicly. Some say that she must go to TV station, she must go back to the Freezes show. If she want to go to the Freezes show, let her on her own do it according to herself whenever she's ready to do that. Some people expected Karimo when she came on your live the other day that she just Wunmi no pabo bad. Bye no get pabo bad. So you think that's how it is? Mm-hmm. That is what people expected her to say. You do not know even those people on our former team, those people on the other side, they're saying that in fact they even came to some of Justice for Mohbad platform that were against giving Karimo a platform, saying she doesn't have no information. But why are you guys flagging that? Why are you guys so in your camp so in disarray that Karimo wanted to come and talk? Why are you guys so bashing her so as in dragging and all stuff like that? If you actually know that she doesn't have nothing to say, Why? Who is someone? Okay, I guess they are flagging. Just two people just drop at the same time.
Eh?
I don't know. You think they are flagging? I don't know. Two people just drop at the same time.
Let's stop. Let's stop. Tap your finger on your screen, please. Continue
Yeah,
tapping.
they're flagging.
Please, everybody, tap.
Why is it that the camp was so in disarray that Karimo, he doesn't have nothing on Wunmi. Okay. Why are you guys so defensive? Why are you guys out and so disturbed that she doesn't have nothing? Why is it that Wunmi herself has been so restless? Even
Since you are not allowing them to tap, since you are not even telling them to tap, so they will flag the show. I don't understand why you are not active today. Sent.
Oh yeah, I just came in. I've been busy, that's why I just came in.
Okay. Mr. King is back.
So,
Okay.
like I said, I want those that are actually in the front line for justice for Mohbad should also remain focused. Do not Emma Law go with what is really going on. There's a lot of distraction going on right there. Don't get carried away. Karimo is up here. Let her do her thing. Let her do her job. Don't stress her. Don't overwhelm her. Don't let her come out to say. Okay,
Sorry, can I interject you there? Can I interject you there?
Yeah.
If you say job, it's as if she's let her conviction, however way she wants to do her stuff, let her do it.
Yeah.
You
Okay,
understand?
thanks for
Don't say the word job. It seems like she's getting paid for her.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that.
You know, let her do it the way God leads her. You know,
God bless you.
Bọ́lọ́run bá ṣe darí ẹ̀ kó ṣe.
Thanks for that. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Yeye. God bless you.
So
Yeye,
now,
thank you for you even giving Karimo audience. We are very, very grateful.
Thank you.
Because a lot of these people, Abanida or Kimbani Debe, you people expect this person to come and just say that she know what spy the guy. Let her come and tell people what kill the guy as if she's there. As if people will follow her to court and go and stand as witness. This one is matter of murder case. It's not something that somebody can just come and say anyhow.
You know, right? Even before she came on Yeye's live to come and say the little she told us that day, I was on her platform and she was saying that she's going to be speaking in Proverbs, that it's only the wise that would understand her if you listen carefully to the end. And instead of cursing her, that we should pray for her, that she needs our prayer now that she wants to tell us some things. And yet, you are still dragging this person. Just like Bossman rightly said, see, forgiveness does not mean you are dragging her or like handbag and you are going everywhere with her. But give her the benefit of doubt. Let's listen to what she has to say. Listen to her just like she advised. Listen to her proverbs. You will pick a lot of things, just like we have picked some things from the little things she has said now. At least we cannot hold Baba on the neck anymore that you buried your son in your hurry.
Exactly.
Nobody actually persuaded
God
you.
has
Just
vindicated
very
Baba.
Karimo never spoke to Baba from what she said. Then from the look at what we are hearing about Yatunde and the money and everything. At least we have been able to see motives that could actually have led to the fight of Mohbad.
And you know that Baba mentioned it in the beginning because he simply mentioned it and they did not want him to mention it. That's why they lied on the man and said it's after property. They made it sound or look as though nothing like that even existed. Meanwhile, it's a lie. All those things exist.
Another thing is Yeye.
Yes,
just
sir.
like Karimo has said it that Wunmi is smarter than people think, or she's
Yes, put together.
I've even opened her mouth in total to tell Karimo like this is what happens because she herself, see, somebody that behaves like Wunmi, even her mother may not even know what exactly happened in that because she will not trust them enough that one day, out of anger or out of the disagreement, you will not come out and cast her. They will just be thinking the way me and you are thinking, adding one or two together to actually form something. They may not even know what we want them to say. She may not know what you want her to come out to say. But she can just lead you through and let you add dots to get to what
Hold on. It's like they flagged Mr. Akio.
Eh. Australia then you want to bara one.
They flagged Mr.
Let me get charger. Before you got effect cool.
Why are they flagging, Kuma? Why are they flagging?
Yeah, they flogged Mr. Akin.
They should not flag me.
So we're going to go downstairs so that I can go and charge the phone.
Yeah. I shall not see.
Toyin ti fẹ́ kú o.
Please asking in the comment section what is going on with tears.
What happened?
Finish me,
He's talking. He's a lie.
They don't know that my account is not ordinary. It's connected with the satellite.
It's a lie. Hello. No, go and sit down. Go and sit down. Oh, yeah, Faru, give me the charger there. Give me the charger there.
Guys, really, they don't want justice for Mohbad. Anybody against them.
Give me the charger there. This phone is going off.
Mommy, what happened upstairs? Mommy.
Yeah.
What?
We're saying that. What Karimo is saying is
Give me the plug.
Well, it's left to you to choose. We're not saying that everything that Karimo saying is true. Is that meant for you to deduce whatever she says and pick up the whatever you want to pick up?
Boss man, they are not following what they are saying.
I want to take me away from you, but it's impossible.
Sir?
Karimo and Wunmi are not in good terms. That's why Karimo is lying.
Oh.
Karimo is lying.
But Baba have said some of the things that lady mentioned. It's just for us to put the dot together. You understand? Because a lot of things that she said is making sense to me now because Baba had mentioned it. And I'm wondering, so yes, so there's an account. Okay, yes, there's acres of land. Okay, yes, phone was stolen now regarding phone that, and in fact, when they told me about that phone, I was saying, no, please, let us not join these people to start carrying anything that we are not sure of. You remember that we heard that Mama Mohbad and Wunmi, they are not on talking terms. They had issue after the device. It was regarding that phone, one of the reasons. There was really fights or beef, whatever between them, which I don't really care. But the most important thing is all these things is beginning to make sense. They don't
mind this our people. They want to do as if they don't get sense pass.
I don't even have time for them.
They have sense. They are smart. They want to
Anytime.
analyzing it so that they can say they go to school. I don't know what stupid analysis they are doing about Karimo.
Emi ò ní time o because àbọ̀rọ̀ máa bá wọn jà. Emi ò rojọ́. Exactly.
I like that. She's not going to come out and tell you.
How did they sing that song? How did they? I forgot that. That's exactly what Karimo is doing.
Yes.
It's common sense now.
Over smartness.
Everybody that says that should not give Karimo any platform. I think at this point, you start looking at them that they are against this movement. Because you start thinking that
it's not because I want her to say anything.
They are the moles. Those are the kind of people that you can refer to as moles. They pretend to be doing justice for Mohbad, but they are the ones that are spoiling it on that ground.
No.
So it's not that you will see their true color.
Do not accept everything she says, but pick up some stuff. Like I said,
what matters in this justice for Mohbad? Do you understand? It's just common sense. We just need to sit down when someone is talking. You see, you can't just. They are inside. They are inside. In fact, Baba himself, àgbàlagbà máa ń gbọ́n ju ọmọdé lọ. Kò sí bá ṣe lákùsà kanito. Baba himself said, when listening to, like Karimo, he knows the truth. He knows pé ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ yìí ó make sense because bàbá mọ family wọn. Do you understand? Àwa ò mọ family wọn. So gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ ó máa yé àwọn ìyá Mohbad. Everything she say ó yé ìyá Mohbad, ó yé Wunmi, ó yé ìyá Túndé. As a matter of fact, ìyá Túndé ìyá Túndé, it should be held. Ó wà lára àwọn tó pa Mohbad. Ó ní ìdá tí fi ọ̀bẹ sí èèyàn lọ́rùn kó tó pa. tẹ́ bá mú ilé ayé sú èèyàn during his lifetime, tẹ́ gba ọmọkùnrin lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, tẹ́ sọ di obìnrin, ẹ ti pa sáyé. If she was not in this their journey, there's possibility pé Mohbad máa ṣì wà láyé. Àwọn náà ló ń ráṣọ funfun tí wọ́n place aṣọ funfun léèyàn lórí. Àwọn náà ni wọ́n ń gbáṣọ funfun sínú burial àbí buried dẹ̀ ni Yorùbá máa ń pè, in the burial ground. Àwọn náà ló ń mú gbogbo ẹ̀. Ológun ẹgbẹ̀jì ni wọ́n ní ìyá Túndé yìí. Last born ni màmá Wunmi dẹ̀ ni, as in ọmọ ìyá wọn ni. Wọ́n ní tó bá jẹ́ pé kò sí nínú ìrìn àjò yìí, there's possibility pé Mohbad ṣì wà láyé because òun ló ń ṣoògùn káàkiri. They have ṣe mọ̀ pé káwọn èèyàn gbẹ́kẹ̀lé nǹkan. Ẹ máa wòran o, wọ́n ní bó ṣe wà yẹn, ogun ní ojúmọ́ kan, jáàsì kan ni. Ológun ni. In fact, suspicion has it that ó ti jáàsì ìyá Wunmi náà. Kò sí bí ìyá Wunmi ṣe fẹ́ jèrè Wunmi náà. Because òun ló fẹ́ jèrè gbogbo ẹ̀. Kò dé yẹn ọtí ẹ̀ kàn mí. Nǹkan tó bá wùn ni kó ṣe sí ìyá Wunmi. Bloody business ìyá Wunmi nìyẹn. Problem gbèsè ayé wọn nìyẹn. I'm not interested in that. Ọkọ mi ò tí ì jẹun o. Here, let's go and put mozzarella. Ẹ kí n máa gbé yín. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa gbé yín kiri o.
She said, it is a must for you to do the DNA. All of you fighting for justice for Mohbad, you are actually on the right track. She said this. You are on the right track. And Baba Mohbad must do that DNA. That's what she said.
Without DNA, no justice.
For Bossman, that talk she had yesterday, can you play it, please?
Which one? Which one?
That one that they said she had yesterday.
Let me check it out.
Okay, please play it. Let's hear, so that you people.
It's actually on this phone that I'm using to talk to you.
Oh, so you can't do it, right? Do you want me to send it to her on the other phone?
Hold on, let me see if I can get it.
Because you know they sent it to me, but I have not. I was saying that this night I will listen to it. Farouk, I'm coming. Let me. Emma bínú, mo fẹ́ ṣe oúnjẹ fọ́mọ mi. Kí n fi yín sílẹ̀ ìbè àbí? Okay. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Sir, no, I just want to do for my boy. You know, he didn't want to disturb me. Ó kàn jókòó ni. So wá sọ fún mi sí pé bí ń pa òun, mo wá feel bad. My boy is just 9 years old, sir. I'm not at home. Mr. K, I'm not at home. No, I'm not at home.
Even my boy from 6 years old will just cook noodles.
Oh, no. He can do it if he's already done. He can just serve it and warm it. But I have to put it in the oven.
Okay.
And I'm not at home. I'm with me. My sister's house in London. We traveled to London for holiday.
Please be careful. My place is dropping a bit now.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm fine. Okay, you guys should be talking. No, let me try and put it.
No, like I was saying. So if you do not really believe in Karimo thing, can you just relax and take a back seat and just chill? Just listen to everything she got to say. Let her listen to the arsenal that she said she came with, and let her use all these arsenals. Each time, listen to what she got to say. So we shouldn't just say that, okay, they are chasing you from the team, which you just want to shut the door against you. No. Listen to words to Gbewa. And then we got to pick up the truth from whatever she's saying. She has already said that Baba Mohbad, you must do that DNA. And she said, you people on Justice for Mohbad, you're actually on the right track. And in one of the videos she said, in one of the autopsy talks, she sort of re Mohbad to come autopsy to Jadi. And you're telling us that the autopsy is correct. Why is that Wunmi is not even talking about the autopsy? She's cool with the autopsy because they believe that the autopsy, the inconclusive autopsy result that came out of February. These are the things that we need to calm down and digest. So we that we are in justice for Mohbad doesn't that we are listening to Karimo. It's not that we are stupid. You actually show that we're actually wise, but we also have to remain focused. We're here for Mohbad. We should not allow the sequence of events to overcrowd our thinking, and that's just the way it is.
True. That's true. That's very true.
But the fact is that, in case some of you do not know, if you Karimo is lying, like I said, she has said some things that I'm already aware of, but so far as she came out of it, she has brought clarity to whatever I have that even the legal team have in their own custody. They have it. She said it too. There are some things I was just shaking my head. Because there are some things that she said that I'm already privy to that. To the phone, yes. Which phone? Look before Ropa. Why did they go? In fact, do you know that after they stole the phone from Mama Mohbad's house, they were celebrating. After they deleted whatever they deleted from the phone, they believe they deleted the evidence. But this is TikTok. I mean, this is an iPhone. You can retrieve everything that was deleted on that phone. Law. Like I said, justice for Mohbad is not going to just come one time. No, you're not going to wake up tomorrow and they will tell you that we've gotten justice. It will take time. Procedure then in things, everybody just that, just like Karimo must come and tell us everything that happened to Mohbad. So my mind shaking me. You need to calm down, take a chill pill. I don't want to talk too much because the more I keep saying something, I was saying some things I don't supposed to say. Let me just hand my mic right now.
So, Osman, your point, you've been trying to control yourself, and you've been on point. Don't worry, Osman.
One thing I know is that I have an information that they deleted. They put that phone back in factory setting. All right, and when they put it in factory setting, she was jubilating, she was celebrating. But the fact is that we don't give a F. Delete it. Smash the phone to the ground. Smash that phone to the ground. We were going to retrieve everything on that phone. This is 2024, and you're using that as an iPhone. The iCloud, the everything. We are going to get everything back. It might take time, but we're going to get everything back.
Where's the people by Egbon? Okay, they said Karimo is on. Okay. No, maybe Karimo is having her own phone. I don't know if she's talking or anything. Don't worry. Have you on the Karimo show? What she said?
Karimo is on live right now. I saw it on the comment section.
But we can't, because what do you want us to do? If she just wants to talk to her, you know?
I think it's good. Let her be on live. I think that's the best. Let her do.
Yeah, maybe she's just doing her own thing. You understand? We can't be, and we can't be. Yes, we can't be stalking her. You know, let her do her life. It's like.
If Karimo wants to talk, she knows where to go to. Don't worry, she will talk.
Yeah, she's just doing her own thing.
That's therapy.
She has challenged the people on the other group that if they have anything again that they should come out, she's ready for them. And the more they come for her, the more she's going to be dropping those things one after the other. See, I'm ready for how long this thing is going to take. Let us sit down and watch. And I will still remain focused on justice for
Mohbad. That's all.
And Osman, you should know, I will also in support so that we can be supplying data mostly so that we within our group will be able to fit ourselves up so that we have more strength. You know what I mean? Nobody should get tired. Nobody should get tired.
Tired, since 11 months.
That's good.
Nobody's getting tired. Nobody's getting tired.
Because as we are in this group, you know, Yeye Kudi cannot do it all. She's trying her level best. So we need to be like supporting her all the time.
Thank
because
you.
She's a bombshell. Yeye Kudi is
Thank
a
you, sir.
bombshell. Anything you draw out is a bomb.
Yeah, I commend
So
her.
we need to be there for her all the time.
Thank you, sir.
Do you know what is going on? Do you know what is going on, Mr. Akin? It is actually true now. We're having issues in the group, all right? And you know what? She's only trying to also, with the information that she had, she was trying to taunt them. She's taunting them with all these things. They too, they are attacking her, trying to prevent her from talking.
Exactly. That's what they are trying to do to her, so that she doesn't talk. You know,
Exactly.
that's what they are just taunting her. That's exactly what they are doing to her.
She's taunting them as well.
Yeah.
All right. So she said it. She already said it that she's waiting. I'm interested in that 26 voice notes.
Wow.
No, those voice notes. It's some is from Yatunde.
Yeah, we are interested. Are you not interested to hear what's inside that voice note?
That voice note, they can't push her to throw it out. Oh. She said she's they are even.
Do you know she said some things on her platform the other day?
I say you should play it now. Why are you not playing it? Let us hear so from you. Okay.
I heard it too.
I don't record the cover play.
I didn't record it.
Why are you people bringing people up that are not muting now? Who is this person now?
Maybe to remove her if she's disturbing.
Ah. Okay. You people don't have it. But Bossman, you don't have it.
I do have it, but it's on this phone. But let me see. But
do you want me to send it? Because it was sent to me too.
Send it to me. Send it to me.
Let me send it to your two places.
Yeah, send it to me.
That's what I'm trying to say,
Yeah, let me send it. They sent it to me too. Let me send it.
Yeah, about the account of Amola. See, this account. I have been talking about that account. See, everything Baba Mohbad said was actually saying the truth back there.
Yes, bàbá yẹn kò parọ́. Gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ lóòótọ́.
Account issue. Why not Baba Mohbad legal team not taking any action against these people? It's already reviewed.
Do you know what's going on back there? Now, with Karimo's testimony now, do you know what is stopping things back then was that even the house of Mohbad, because they nailed Baba Mohbad, they painted him that he was actually fighting for property. So it's not. It actually caged Baba Mohbad that he's for property. That's what Baba Mohbad said. Anything about property of Mohbad, Baba Mohbad did not want to go there. He was only looking for justice for Mohbad.
Exactly.
No. That's totally wrong.
Mọ̀ pé wọ́n parọ́ mọ́ bàbá yẹn gan.
And take control of everything. He shouldn't just leave it for those dogs. Those people are dogs. They are dogs.
You know, Mr. King, back then, when Baba Mohbad was talking about that thing, they said, he's only looking for property. And they were using bloggers to blog him to shut him up. You understand what I'm saying? They almost there. The bloggers.
Baba need to be concerned about his property, the account, whatsoever. Baba need to be concerned because he really struggled to put that boy to where he is before they took him away from him. He need to. In fact, look at it. Right now, nobody is benefiting from it. Even the same Adura that was happy that his own brother was high. He's not benefiting from it. They're just eating.
Adura is in bondage today. Adura and Mama Mohbad, they are both in bondage. Do you see that they took Mama Mohbad's phone? They gave her Palasa. So that they gave her Palasa at the 310. All right, see, all these things, things need to start figuring things out. Adura, he used to be a DJ.
No, remember KG Bossman.
He started singing. They promised him, don't worry, you want to be like Mohbad, we will give you, don't worry, just keep this thing.
He's not going anywhere. That Adura whatsoever. He's not going anywhere.
They went to shut
I wouldn't call him Adura. I would call him
They went to shut people for Adura and all that. See, all these are just games, and then it's going to be a gradual process. It's a gradual process. Now with the revelation that is coming out from Karimo, and I believe the legal team are also listening.
Bossman.
And it's going to come to the consciousness of the people, the listeners.
Bossman, where is your second number? Sorry, to interrupt.
Send it now.
I can send it to that the other number. I can't see that number. I don't know. Maybe I must have stored it with one thing. Say hello there now. Just say hello.
Yeah, I will send you my WhatsApp line later.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, and even I was control.
No, this one is the one okay.
Because my location, I don't want to show it though.
That's how the normal guy.
People are crafty.
I got it now. This was a very like 5 seconds now. You couldn't.
Okay, it's this one. That's the one. I thought maybe that's the one. Okay, so this one is not recorded. Nothing is there.
It's recorded, but this one is a short version. There's a long one.
Mi ò ní tí mo rí nìyẹn, ìyẹn ni mo sọ pé mo tẹ díẹ̀ rò pé long ni mi ò tí wò. I don't know it then.
Can you hear this?
Let me make it.
Is it loud enough? Can you guys hear what I'm playing?
Èmi mọ̀ pé Karimo sọ̀rọ̀ gan-an.
Yeah, this is a short one.
Nàṣó ọkùnrin wo ló máa fẹ́ ṣe torí bọ gbogbo wàhálà ẹ̀? Kò sí òbí kan tó máa ní pé òun fẹ́ kọ́ ọmọ òun lọ fẹ́ Wunmi pẹ̀lú gbogbo wàhálà tí ò ṣe DNA tí ò ṣe gbogbo kinní yẹn. Ó sọ́kùnrin gidi kankan tó wá láti ilé gidi o. Tó máa.
Looking at things now. It's like even Wunmi hanging up with Mohbad is a plan work.
Wunmi.
So if they're advising her quickly to remarry after 1 year, want to one next victim business, no she.
It's a business.
Mi believe o. Ọkùnrin wo ló fẹ́ gbórí sẹ́rí sí gbogbo ilé tó ti ṣe DNA tí property Mohbad ṣì wà lọ́wọ́ yín. Ìyá Túndé, irú advice wèrè wo nìyẹn?
Wunmi after 2-3 weeks or 1 month already started lap pio. That girl, no, forget it. Already started like pio for real. In fact, that Bella, what is his name? The Mohbad best friend. If his care is not taken, they could have even lied themselves.
Hey, Bella yóò tiẹ̀ kì í ṣọ̀rẹ́ Mohbad, ẹ gbàgbé yé pé lọ́rẹ́ Mohbad. Bella is out of all Mohbad's friends is the worst. All of them that were with Mohbad. I cannot bring the only one that I can say Dani tí ó ń ṣe PA fún bàbá. Gbogbo wọn pátá ọ̀dàlẹ̀ balẹ̀ lọ ni wọ́n. Kí lélẹ̀?
No, it's not enough. Continuity, Baba. It is not enough.
Okay, ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀ ṣé iṣẹ́ yẹn lélẹ̀?
Another one. I'm just looking for. I'm searching for it.
I'm still going to mention that alone. She's the reason behind this one. Let me get. I'm going to do that one. Baba, call the tech people. Don't just sit there thinking about to bring account to me. Account here exists. Me, I got account here officially. You are there. Let me get there. I'm going to do that one. Baba, call the tech people. Don't just sit there thinking about to bring account to me. Account here exists. Me, one account here officially.
That's the big bombshell.
Ẹjọ́ nítorí ọlọ́ọ̀ má pè mí sí kí witness box o. Náà jọ gbogbo ìrìn àjò àwọn ọmọ mi ṣáàjọ. Ẹ ṣáà bá mi mú wọn rìnrìn tó tọ́ tó yẹ kó dẹ̀ pàdé obìnrin gidi ọkùnrin gidi o. Ọlọ́run ṣàánú fún mi o. Mother-in-law gidi, father-in-law gidi, Ọlọ́run ṣàánú mi o.
I don't know how to put she's
kọ àwọn ọmọ mi sí páńpẹ́ ayé, má jẹ́ kí wọ́n pàdé irú gbogbo àwọn èèyàn báyìí ní àjò wọn. Mo bẹ̀bẹ̀ ni mi o, ó jọ ṣàánú mi o. Jọ Ọlọ́run bá o.
He can swallow anything from anywhere.
Yeah, Mr. King. I found another long one. Let's do this.
Mo wá bọ́ ta. Ẹ wá tún ké pé mo bọ́ ta. Kí má tọrọ ìyá yìí díẹ̀ ṣàmì. Kí n gbé sínú. Ó gbọ́ mo fọ́ pẹ́ rìgírẹ́tì pẹ́ mọ̀ mí. Èmi gan ráyè tèmi. Kí ni ẹni fẹ́ sọ? Ẹni mo bọ́ ọkọ mi jà. Ẹni mo ṣọgbá. Ẹni mo ṣe gbá mo ṣàwo. Ń pẹ́tẹ́. Evidence wo ló fẹ́ gbé jáde? Ṣé pé mo ṣògùn sọ́kọ mi? Mo ṣògùn sí. Wọ́n fún kọ́kọ́ bá mi sùn ẹgbẹ́ síta.